How to pay a freelancer on Upwork. So there's a few ways of how you can go about this. So the first way is if they request a payment, you can see it in your messages. And another way of how you can go about this is you have to go to your main page of Upwork and just scroll all the way down until you see a list of all of your freelancers. And you can click on these three dots right here and select view milestones and payments. So once you have clicked on this option right here next to the milestones that you have created, or if they are getting hourly pay, you will see a green button that says pay now, or it should be something along the lines of release payment. So I've paid out the entire sum of money right here that you can see, so that's why I don't have the option to release the payment. But basically you can look at all of the billing of your amount that's paid out, the funded amount if you have funded the project beforehand, as well as the overall project price. So here, remember, here is where you'll be able to see the option to pay your freelancer. So, and here's where you will be able to track it. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.